Welcome to Auto Review Pro, your trusted source for deep dives into the history, design, and performance of iconic vehicles, both classic and modern. In today's video, we're exploring the legendary 1910 Cadillac V16, a masterpiece that set a new standard for luxury, engineering, and automotive excellence in its era. The Cadillac V16 remains one of the most significant vehicles in automotive history, showcasing the innovation and craftsmanship that defined Cadillac's legacy. The Cadillac V16 was introduced as a groundbreaking model that revolutionized luxury and performance. Powered by a 7.4-liter V16 engine, it was one of the first production cars to feature such an advanced powertrain. This engine delivered a remarkable 165 horsepower, an impressive figure for its time, ensuring smooth and powerful performance. The V16 engine was designed for refinement and quiet operation, making it a pinnacle of engineering sophistication. Its silky smooth power delivery, combined with a 3-speed manual transmission, allowed for effortless driving and remarkable reliability, features that appealed to the wealthy clientele of the time. The design of the Cadillac V16 was a true work of art. It featured an elongated hood to house the massive engine, a design element that added to its majestic and commanding presence. The car's bodywork was crafted with precision, often tailored by custom coach builders to suit the preferences of individual buyers. Every curve and line of the V16 exuded elegance, from the graceful fenders to the intricate grille and the iconic badge. Entrance price was higher than any POE sales price. The car was offered in various body styles, including roadsters, sedans, and limousines, each showcasing unparalleled craftsmanship and attention to detail. Inside, the 1910 Cadillac V16 was a testament to luxury and opulence. The interior was adorned with the finest materials available, including hand-stitched leather, polished wood trim, and plush carpeting. The spacious cabin was designed to provide the utmost comfort, with features like adjustable seats and advanced instrumentation for the driver. Every element of the interior reflected Cadillac's commitment to creating a premium experience for both drivers and passengers. The Cadillac V16 also set new benchmarks in technology and innovation. It featured advanced engineering for its time, such as dual carburetors and independent ignition systems, ensuring optimal performance and reliability. The car's suspension and braking systems were designed to provide a smooth and controlled ride, even on the rough roads of the early 20th century. These innovations solidified Cadillac's reputation as a leader in the luxury automotive market. The 1910 Cadillac V16 remains a symbol of innovation, luxury, and excellence. It was not just a car, but a statement of success and sophistication. Collectors and enthusiasts today consider it a prized possession, representing the golden era of American automotive engineering. Its legacy continues to inspire modern Cadillac designs, ensuring that its spirit lives on. Thank you for watching Auto Review Pro. If you enjoyed this look at the iconic Cadillac V16 and want more deep dives into automotive history and reviews of the latest cars, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll see you in the next video.